How to repair external hard drive on PS5. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can fix the external hard drive on PS5. Now if you're wondering why your PS5 is not recognizing the external hard drive, there could be few common reasons for this issue. There might be a problem with the connection between your PS5 and the external hard drive, or else the external hard drive does not meet the system requirement, or there's an issue with a USB cable. You can also try fixing that. So then to fix it, you can try diagnosing the external hard drive. That is, check whether the external hard drive is working properly or not. You can also use a third-party program to diagnose the state of the hard drive. This program will help you evaluate if the drive has issue before connecting to PS5. You can also connect your PS5 to your computer and perform a scan. This will help you determine if whether there's a problem or not. You can also find that everything is running fine in your computer. Apart from it, you can check the cable. Sometimes there must be a damage in the cable which might hinder your performances. Apart from it, you can also try install the hard drive correctly. So in order to install it, you need to make sure you had inserted the USB cable into the PS5 correctly without hitting any corner accidentally. So you can also start up your PS5 and ensure that the USB cable is securely connected. Pay attention to any notification that pops up on your screen. The external hard drive will go through a formatting process as well. If the PS5 still does not recognize the external hard drive, you can proceed to the next step, that is by restarting your PS5. In order to restart it, all you have to do is press and hold the PS5 button on your controller. Navigate the buttons to go through the power icon, select restart PS5 from the option, and after restarting, plug it in and try checking whether the issue has been resolved or not. Apart from it, you can also try updating your system software. So for that, go to the settings menu on your PS5 and then go to settings, then go to system software. While you're on the system software, click the update button. After updating it, that might be able to fix the issue. However, that does not seem to be working out. You can also try contacting the support team or getting help of an expert that might be able to fix the issue. So in that way, you can fix your external hard drive issue on PS5. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.